Hey, it's Biddy Penny, and I am here today with an Erin Lee Creative haul. And this is my first purchase from the stamp company. I have actually seen um, Erin Lee's name around, but I didn't know that she had a stamp company now, which she does. And here's the little flyer. So on Instagram, I had really fallen in love with this peace, love, and happiness kit. And I just kept thinking about it and thinking about it. And luckily, my D stash had gone well enough that I bought the kit. So I also added on this great tie dye stencil. It's a 3-piece stencil set, and it makes the coolest tie dye. I just love it. It's like 6 by 6. Um, and I really, really think it's fantastic. So I definitely have a little bit of hippie in me. And so this set, is just fantastic. Like when you have a stamp collection as large as mine, um, you get to a point where I have gotten to a point, I should speak for myself, I have gotten to a point where I kind of get tired of just seeing the same thing all the time redone. And so I really thought this was fantastic. So there's a little die for the peace sign. This die goes for this flower child here, who I love. And then I really liked this font. And these are all like really kind of traditional and fun sentiments. I did think this little love bus was bigger, but that's okay. I'm still going to have fun with it, I'm sure. And so, again, the sentiments are fantastic. I really liked this background stamp as well. It's a red rubber 6 by 6 background stamp. I think it's fantastic. So I'm really excited about that. And then the kit also has 2 stencils in it. And so I know it's on sale right now. I just checked her website and it is still available. So you could hop over there. That stencil, the tie-dye stencil, is on sale as well. Anyways, I will be making things with this for sure coming up. And I just wanted to kind of share this with you, and especially because it's a company you don't see too often. So I wanted to put it out there. Thanks for watching.